Alright guys, so we're going to do this crankcase ventilation sensor. 2 bolts right here need to come off, take this cover loose. Alright. You got 4 bolts to take off of this cover. And this thing. Sure, yeah. So those will come all the way out. I'll set them down here somewhere that they won't get knocked off, hopefully. Actually, just the thing for this. That was a Christmas present. I've used it a few times. It actually works out pretty awesome. See these? It's non-slip surface, so anything sticks to it metal. It can stick to other things that are metal. So right there, kind of hold it in place. That'll get us where we need to go. Get this cover out of our way. Here we are, working our way around it. All right. Looks like I've got 8 bolts to hold this cover down. So I'm going to pry this up off there with it. Beautiful. A little more back in here. Ah, there we go. Alright, that's what I needed. Alright. So, 2 studs, or I'm sorry, standoffs. 3 standoffs right here. That we'll need, I don't think. Yeah, I cannot get those without a universal. And there's that one. A couple of hoses here to watch out for. Wire loom goes out the back, not a problem. One more. We engine oil cover up off of it, and there it is, hiding underneath here, just enough to get me out of the way. And pops up out of it. Well, I'll tell you what, that one doesn't look too bad down in there. I don't know when this thing was last serviced. That's why I decided to go ahead, but you know what? It looks like it's been serviced. It looks to be in pretty good condition. However, there is a new one. So side by side, pretty common looking things. Okay, just a little bit of engine oil. Great, we just put it on. Put that out, lube these up. check your gasket here. Make sure it's all in good shape. This one's you don't have a replacement for. Make sure you got a good nice little coat of oil around that thing too. Anything drying out. Alright. Simple as that. Let's set this thing over. We'll pop it down in there. It sits down in there and just pop it into place. And this one here. And again, just a nice little pop into place. So currently I don't know what the torque specs are on that, but that is a gasketed surface, so there are torque specs. I will try to follow any torque spec anytime I get a chance. Everything's snugged. Let's see here. The lightest. So I'm not really following a spec. I took it to my lightest setting. It felt extremely loose and I don't think I got it very accurate, so I took it to where it would move and I felt a little bit of resistance. Just a little. So shy of me getting the proper rear fuel filter, I'm not going to replace the front unless I replace the rear. I have completed a few things tonight on my 2500 here. CCV filter, air filter, oil change, battery replacement. So I'll make you guys a couple videos and we'll split those up. Once my proper canister style rear filter, so evidently the 2019s came with a canister. Some came with a canister, some came with the old cartridge, or some came with the old canister style. Some have the new cartridge style. Mine has the new cartridge style. The filter, whenever I ordered it for 2019, they sent me the canister style, so I have to buy another one of those. Whatever, it's on its way. Should hopefully be here tomorrow. Whatever, goes from there. Lessons learned. Make sure we get the right shit to start with. Battery seems to be spot on. The AGM, air filters in it. Got to drive this thing to work tomorrow, so guess I'm gonna open these doors, back it out of here. And guys, as always, please hit that subscribe button. Keep track of what we're doing some cool things here. Won't be long, I'm telling you, and I know I'm saying this now, but I've got to get some orders in, get a few things on the way, but I'm gonna start paying people off for comments. Might be a sticker, might be a shirt, might be a hat, I don't know. I mean, get some merchandise on the way, and hope you guys like it. So keep track, keep notified, stay safe.